This faceless YouTube channel is making $30,000 every month with extremely simple YouTube shorts. In fact, I created 300 of the same YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes for free. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to do the same, so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. But before we dive in, let me quickly share with you the short story of how I came up with this video idea. Step 1. The inspiration. It's 2 a.m., and there I am lying in bed, scrolling through YouTube shorts like my life depends on it. I've probably watched every cute animal video at least twice. Just as I'm about to give up and succumb to the sweet embrace of sleep, I come across a video that changes everything. The best girls are always going to be the most difficult. Wow, just wow. I did what any rational person would do and clicked on the creator's profile to take a closer look. This person is a true modern-day philosopher, handing out life-changing wisdom like free samples at Walmart. I couldn't believe my luck. Then I found out that this page makes around $30,000 each month. That got me thinking, how hard could it be to make these kinds of videos? Well, I'm going to show you. Step 2. Tools needed. Before we start, let's make sure we have everything we need. Here's a quick list of the tools required. ChatGPT for generating the script and quotes. Canva for creating and editing the videos. Excel for organizing and managing the quotes. Step 3. Generating quotes with ChatGPT. We're starting with ChatGPT. A quick tip: always express your gratitude before starting your conversation with ChatGPT. You never know when AI might take over the world, and this way, you might get a cozy job as an AI's personal assistant. Teaching ChatGPT. Instruct ChatGPT to generate love quotes in a specific style, with a first part that intrigues people and a second part that delivers the punchline. For example, if you really love someone, you have to let them go, or tie them up in your basement. It's all about perspective. Setting the themes. Ask ChatGPT to focus on themes like love, heartbreak, and friendship. Ensure ChatGPT understands by asking it to provide examples and confirming they fit your requirements. Generating multiple quotes. Request ChatGPT to generate 30 quotes at a time until you reach your desired number of quotes. Acknowledge good outputs to encourage ChatGPT to produce similar quality in subsequent responses. Remember, patience is key when working with AI. Ensuring it provides the right content will save time in the long run. Step 4. Organizing quotes in Excel. Now that we have our quotes, it's time to organize them. This will help streamline the video creation process. Copy and paste. Copy the generated quotes from ChatGPT. Paste them into an Excel sheet. Categorize. Organize the quotes by theme, first part and second part. This categorization will make it easier to manage and use the quotes later on. Having everything organized in Excel ensures a smooth transition to Canva for the bulk creation of videos. Step 5. Creating videos with Canva. Setting up Canva. Go to canva.com and click on Mobile Video. Search for templates suitable for quotes. Select one you like or use a recently used template. Designing the template. Add the theme text, e.g., girl facts, boy facts, friend facts, at the top of the screen. Place the quote in the middle and add your YouTube channel name at the bottom. Adjust the text size and position to ensure readability and centered alignment. Remove any animations from the text blocks to keep the video simple. Timing the quotes. Set the first part of the quote to display for 9 seconds, followed by a 1-second pause. Display the second part of the quote for 1.5 seconds, then end the video. This timing strategy ensures that viewers stay engaged and might even re-watch the video to catch the full quote, boosting your watch time and video performance. Step 6. Bulk creating videos in Canva. Here's where the real magic happens. We'll use Canva's Bulk Create feature to generate multiple videos quickly. Using Bulk Create, go to Apps in Canva, search for Bulk Create, and clear all data. Copy your quotes from Excel and paste them into Canva. Connect the text data to the corresponding parts of the video. Theme, first part, second part. Generate 30 pages of videos at a time. Customizing backgrounds, optional. If desired, change the background manually. Search for different videos in Canva's Elements section. Replace the background by selecting a new video and adjusting its length to match the template. Step 7. Download and share. After generating the videos, head over to Share, select Download, and choose Download Pages as separate files. Downloading them as separate files ensures that each video is ready to be uploaded individually to your YouTube channel or other social media platforms. Now, repeat these steps until you have 300 amazing YouTube shorts. Let me know what I should do with all these shorts. Maybe I could post them all in 30 days to see what happens. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, extra tips and insights. Consistency is key. Consistently posting new content will help grow your channel faster. Schedule your posts to maintain a steady flow of new videos. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and interact with your viewers. Building a community will keep your audience engaged and loyal. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to track the performance of your videos. Adapt your content based on what works best and resonates most with your audience. By following these additional tips, you can maximize your channel's growth and ensure long-term success. And that's it. You now have a complete guide to creating 300 faceless YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.